Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
As soon as Dhruv Maharaj joined the Narayanastra arrow to his bow, the illusion created by the yaksas was immediately vanished, just as all material pains and pleasures are vanished when one becomes fully cognizant of the self. Krishna is like the sun, and Maya, or the illusory energy of Krishna, is like darkness. Darkness means absence of light. Similarly, Maya means absence of Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness and Maya are always there, side by side. As soon as there is awakening of Krishna consciousness, all the illusory pains and pleasures of material existence are vanquished. Maya metam taranti te, constant chanting of the Mahamantra, will keep us always aloof from the illusory energy of Maya.